Good day, I'm Rosa at Rosa Bakes, coming to you after the Christmas festivities. So Christmas went off like a hit. The Christmas wreath Pavlova was a huge hit. Everyone loved it, and it will be something that I will be doing every year, and it will become a tradition with me. I would like to thank Mary Berry for introducing the Christmas wreath Pavlova. It was light, it was wonderful, and I have to say that watching the test kitchen on PBS and getting the Gateau Breton cake for a compliment to the Pavlova was just perfect. It gave me the chance to use the egg yolks that I didn't have. And it was a perfect amount of egg yolks, 6 egg yolks, 6 egg whites for the Pavlova. Just wonderful. I'm gonna introduce this Gateau Breton to my festivities as well. Now, I really did love having the upside down cake. It was the cranberry upside down cake from Stewart. It was super easy to make, but for some reason, I've met somewhere along the lines of making it, I kind of messed up. So it didn't look as great and I didn't get the height that I wanted to. But I do feel that it's something that I do want to introduce every year. So I'm going to try that cake again. It tasted fabulous, by the way, but it just didn't look right. I also want to share with you some of my mishaps throughout this month. So I started off trying to make the cornucopia from Paul Hollywood. It was a Danish cornucopia with the cookies. Now, I got the style right and how to shape them. I understood that very well. But when I put them in the oven, I did the oven from Celsius to Fahrenheit. I was a little off. They exploded. Plus, I don't think I did something correct. Somewhere got lost in translation. So I wasn't able to serve this on Thanksgiving. But I do eat them and they're really, really good. But I broke them apart and put them in my cookie jar to eat later. Like I said, I eat all the stuff that doesn't really make it to the festivities or to other people. But it was a great idea. I do want to try it again. I wanted it to be a centerpiece for Thanksgiving here in the States. I thought it was a lovely idea. I also made baba cakes. So there was 2. This was also a Stewart recipe. Now, I did this by hand. This is before I had the KitchenAid mixer. Oh, it was a workout. Thank goodness I do go to the gym and have the muscle work to do this. But definitely do not keep them in the oven too long. In order to put the simple syrup of rum on top of it, the rum needs to soak in, so you really don't want to overcook these. I left the individual cakes for myself and just broke them apart and put the rum syrup in there. It tasted just great. This is a wonderful idea to do if someone loves the baba cake or baba cookies type thing. So they're very, very popular in Italy. Anyhow, this is Rosa Bakes. I hope this helped you, but it was so fun to have you share it with me, my little mishaps, what I went through, what I didn't go through, and the wonderful success stories that I had. So definitely try Mary Berry's Christmas wreath Pavlova, but also try some of the many bakes, just something that you love to do, and make it festive, whether you celebrate Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, or Christmas. I want to wish you a wonderful holiday season and to a better 2021. Cheers.